Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be installing a turbo muffler delete on my 2012 Audi A4 B8. So basically, what this thing is going to do is it'll attach to a part of the turbo, which is sitting down there. Don't know if you can see it. It'll basically just make it louder and let it breathe a little better. So let's get under the car and install it. So getting under the car now, what we're going to be replacing is that piece right there. We're going to be replacing this right here. So we got to take this off and then put on the new one, and that should be it. Okay, so we got the clamp loose. Now we're going to try and take off the hose. Oh boy. There we go. And we're going to get that out of the way. There's a little bit of oil on that, that's okay. And now we're going to get the new one in. Okay, so we got the old part out. As you can see, it's got the slits in the bottom, taking away all my good airflow, letting everything out. Here's a new one, nice and solid. Gonna keep everything in there, make it a little louder, breathe a little better. Let's get it installed. Okay, a tube is installed. Clamp is on. New muffler delete is good. Let's start her up. It definitely sounds a little louder. I could tell just from revving it, it's a little more responsive too. So yeah, I would definitely say it's worth it to get a turbo muffler delete. Would I say it's worth like $100? No. I bought mine on Amazon for just $30 and it works great. So definitely recommend. Drive safe and God bless.